Okay, so there are several really good videos on YouTube about how to fix a John Deere 14SB lawnmower whose rear wheels lock up when you try to make turns, especially when you're backing it through a garage on concrete or something. That can be very annoying. The one problem I ran into in making that repair is that they don't clearly demonstrate how to put the pinions back on the shafts in the correct order. So I'm doing just a real quick short video here on how to orientate those pinions on either side of the shaft. Okay, this is the washer. It goes on this side of the pinion. It seats in there. You can't do it on the other side. It's flat. So this is the what we call the shark fin side because of the shape of the cogs in there. So you need to make sure your spring's in the hole on the shaft and the key's in the slot. Slip this over the shaft. This pinion goes in on the right side of the mower. It goes facing the mower, the shark fin, open side, so the washer will seat in there. On the left side, pinion goes this way with the shark fin opening facing outward that way, and the washer goes in after the pinion, and then the snap ring holds the washer in place. That's the right way to do it.